Good morning, good people. It is week 3, day 15 of the 30-day plank challenge. We are halfway through. Congratulations to all those people who did not think they would be able to do this and made it this far. You're almost done. You're halfway through, excuse me. I had my water for her this morning. Oh, so today I wanted to quickly reference something that I had mentioned, I think maybe in my first video, and I had said on a post, but probably not the way I'm going to say it today. And it's about packing your shoulders. And packing your shoulders is just, in technical terms, scapular retraction and depression. In layman's terms, it's your shoulder back and down, chest up. And what you'll see is your scapula, your shoulder blades, as if they're coming together to hold something in the middle. And that is the posture you should have while you're doing your plank, especially if you're choosing to do a full arm plank. A lot of times, and I'll just show you quickly, I won't even get on the mat. A lot of times people will start their full arm plank with their shoulders up by their ear. Let me move back a little. And you should not. Your shoulders should be rounded back and just a strong plank. This is essential if you're doing a full arm plank. It's essential either way, but especially if you're doing a full arm plank because it protects your shoulders and your rotator cuff as well. And also, very quickly, I'd seen someone make a post about they were doing elbow planks and now they were going to be able to step up to do a full arm plank. The difference between a full arm plank and an elbow plank, the elbow is not a modification. The full arm plank going from elbow to full arm is not a progression. They are just different variations of a plank. The full arm plank, if you do both, you will obviously know it is just engaging more of your body. It is a more full body workout. Whereas the elbow plank focuses more so just on your core. I personally choose to do the elbow plank because I really want to focus on my midsection and getting everything tight and nice. And eventually, in one of the challenges, we will obviously do things that will put us in a full arm plank. But for now, I really just want to do the core. Whichever one you do, it's legit. Don't think that if you're on day whatever and it's like, oh, now I need to go into a full arm. That's not the case. You are fine exactly where you are. The modifications, like I showed you in the first video, really focus on the length of the plank. It's shortening the length of the plank. So today, let's hit the variations for week 3. The first one's going to be the elbow plank or the full arm plank, and it's just the leg up. So get your good form, shoulders back, down, you're up, and we're going to do a alternating leg lift. So it's just up and then up and down. Notice how my plank is not moving. You remain in a stable position. You're just bringing it up and down. How that would look for the modified plank. Think of pushing your foot up to the ceiling and bringing it back down. Foot up to the ceiling, bringing it back down. That's the first one. Now for the side plank, which everyone seems to love the most. I'm saying sarcastically, myself included. Make sure the elbow is under the shoulder. You're pushing up. You're going to bring your hand up, and then you're going to go through the plank, and then you're going to come back up, and then you're going to go through the plank, and then you come back up. Now, you don't have to do these continuously. You can do them at intervals. So every 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 7 seconds, whatever is comfortable for you, just so you get a few in, and it really, really helps bring that plank to another level. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can hit me off in the comment section. And remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Have a great day, everyone. Enjoy week 3.